question number one. Question number one. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for ₹10, but sold 1 kg plastic for ₹12. How much money does she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? Kiran, buys 1 kg plastic for ₹10. After buying, again, she sold the same plastic, 1 kg plastic for ₹12. That means how much money she got as profit? How much money did she? What is her earning on selling the same 1 kg plastic? So how to find it out? And one more thing is here on my right side, Dinu's price list. So you consult the price list given on your book. On the left side, kind of junk, newspaper, iron, brass, plastic, waste paper. And on the right, price of 1 kg, newspaper for ₹6, iron ₹14, brass ₹180, plastic ₹12, and waste paper ₹4.50. That means ₹4.50. So this is the red list, price list of the different kinds of junk. So let's come to this. So here, solution. The cost price of 1 kg plastic is equal to ₹10. So you need to write in your notebook. The selling price of 1 kg plastic is ₹12. Then, how much? Here is the question. How much money does she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? So that is how this is how we need to calculate. Thus, the money earned by Kiran is equal to rupees. The selling price is more than cost price. So, the selling price minus cost price means 12 minus 10. That is equal to ₹2. So, that means she earned ₹2 or ₹2 on selling 1 kg plastic. Again, one more question. So, how much money does she earn for 63 kg plastic? Suppose she earns ₹2 on selling 1 kg of plastic. She earns ₹2 on selling 1 kg plastic. Then, so how much money does she earn on selling 63 kg of plastic? एक किलो प्लास्टिक बेचने से यदि उसको ₹2 मिलता है, ₹2 प्रॉफिट होता है या कमाता है, तो 63 kg आयरन सेल करने से, प्लास्टिक सेल करने से उसको कितना फायदा होगा? And how to write? Now let us see this. You will multiply. That means thus the money earned by Kiran. Okay, money earned by Kiran on selling 1 kg plastic is ₹2. Then for 63 kg plastic you will multiply 63 into 2. So you will have to multiply like this. Then your answer will be 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. 126 rupees. So she will earn 126 rupees on selling 63 kg plastic. So this is how we calculate to solve the problem, or to solve the problem.